Hello, dear friends and students. Good morning. How are you? In today's video, we will learn the use of some question words. Okay, they will be first is what, second one is why, and third one is who. So today's video we will learn the use of three question words what, why and who. I have told you in my previous videos that question words play important role in asking questions with anyone in this order. First of all, we will understand some examples of what. What means kya? Question words are used in the beginning of sentence in English language. Let's take some examples of what. What does he like? उसे क्या अच्छा लगता है? What does he like? तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगा? What did you like? Because it's a past tense. So we use did as a helping verb in this sentence. वह मेरे पीछे मेरे बारे में क्या कहता है? It is a simple present tense. So we will frame this sentence in English like what does he say about me behind my back? Behind my back means मेरे पीछे. ओके, तुम क्या कह रहे हो? What are you saying? It is simple present continuous tense. It is present continuous tense. रहे हो means saying. What are you saying? आप क्या कह रहे हैं? यह कुर्सी यहाँ क्या कर रही है? क्या is a question word. क्या means what in English. What is this chair doing here? What is this chair doing here? यह कुर्सी यहाँ पर क्या कर रही है? हम किसी से पूछते हैं कि कुर्सी यहाँ रखी है, यह क्या कर रही है यहाँ पर? तो आप कैसे इंग्लिश में आप पूछेंगे What is this chair doing here? इस शब्द का क्या मतलब होता है? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Mean means मतलब. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? In this sentence, do, first do is a helping verb and second do is a main verb. Because here do is used as a helping verb and as a main verb. वह क्या करता है? What does he do? What does he do? वह क्या करता है? So students, हमने what की some examples यहाँ समझे हैं. Let's take some examples of why. Why is also a most important question words. It is used mostly in asking questions. So let's come on. We will discuss about Second question word, that is who. Who means कौन. Who means कौन. यह कौन करेगा. Who will do this. यह किसने किया है. Who has done this. कौन आ रहा है. Who is coming. कौन कौन आ रहे हैं. Who are coming. मेरी मदद कौन करेगा. Who will help me. It is simple future tense. Will as a helping verb. कौन आया. Who came. यहाँ कौन आया था. Who had come here. वहाँ कौन गया था. Who had gone there. So these are some beautiful examples of question word who. Let's now in the end of this video we will understand some examples of why. Why is also an important question word. It's oftenly used in asking questions. So let's discuss about some beautiful examples of question word why. तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो. So we will ask in English like that way. Why do you lie. तुम झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो. Why are you lying. Or you can say like this. Why are you telling lie. तुमने यह किताब क्यों खरीदी. Why did you buy this book. तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है. Why do you think so. Why do you think so. तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो. We use ask like the sentence. तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो. Why are you doing so. Why are you doing so. तुम चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो. जब हम किसी से कहते हैं या कोई संकट में होता है या कोई प्रॉब्लम में फंसा होता है तो हम कहते हैं तुम चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो. देन वी विल आस्क the same sentence in English like that way. Why are you worrying. Why are you worrying. तुम चिंता क्यों करते हो. Why do you worry. I am with you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ ना. I am with you. Why do you worry. I am with you. तुम वहाँ क्यों गए थे. Why had you gone there. जब कोई व्यक्ति कहीं जाता है वहाँ उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम अक्सर यही कहते हैं तुम वहाँ गए ही क्यों थे. Why had you gone there. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो. Why have you come here. तुम इतने दुखी क्यों दिखाई दे रहे हो. Why are you looking so sad. Why are you looking so sad. उसने आत्महत्या क्यों की. Why did he commit suicide. सुसाइड करने के लिए या मिस्टेक करने के लिए हम कमिट वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं ना कि डू वर्ब का. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमने आज ये 3 क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स के बारे में समझा है. I hope you will get about the 3 question words. If you liked this video then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you watching for this video and my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.